There's always a
Okay,
first.
this is a gentleman. We did his bunion and his hammer toe last week, and we're going to do this big fella today. But I just want to show you the picture of what this foot looked like last week and how beautiful it looks now. And the toe is next to the big toe is perfectly straight. The bunion is perfectly straight. It looks like an absolutely new foot. So we're gonna, and you can notice there's no stitches, there's no pins sticking out. We're gonna do this foot today, and he's gonna walk out on both his feet. And did you have any pain last week? How was it? Was it a bit okay week? Were you able to walk?
I had a great week. There was no pain. I walked. I went to work on Tuesday. So, yeah, I went to work all week.
So we did it on Friday. You went to work on Tuesday?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to have a matching set in a few minutes.